welcome to Gigi's Kitchen.
Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and this is Rhonda's Country Kitchen, and I have a little guest here, y'all, my sweet little grandson. Tell him what your name is. River. And y'all, he has been watching his little cousins on the grits video, and he said, Gigi, I want to make a video with you. And I said, Sugar, what do you want to make? And tell him what you wanted to make. Pancake. So that is what we're doing today, y'all. We're just going to whip up a quick pancake recipe for you. I know y'all probably seen our video with the storm, and so they're still roughing it. They don't have any power, so they've been hanging out with Gigi and Papa, hadn't you, baby?
Yeah.
So what a perfect opportunity to make these little pancakes. We're gonna be making what kind of pancakes?
Chocolate chip pancakes.
Chocolate chip pancakes, and he is excited. So he said, Gigi, what did you want to do? What did you want to do?
Crack egg.
He wanted to crack the eggs, y'all. So I'm gonna let little man crack these eggs. We got some extras if not, but you go ahead, show him how you do it. Cracking on the corner. Good job. Uh-oh. Don't mash it, just pop it.
That was so crazy.
That one was creamy, he said.
I got 3 eggs.
Oh, it's okay. Gigi got it out. Here you go. Got to do 2 eggs.
It's got 3 yolks. He was right.
No, it don't. He crunched it. There you go. That one would be easier. Easy. You getting it. That was a tough shell, ain't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
There's one sunken.
There's a little something in there. You know, let me show you a trick. No, don't put your hands in there. Show you a little trick. You take the eggshell, and look, it scoops it right out.
Use it like a shovel.
Look at there. It sticks to this eggshell. So we're going to wash our hands real quick, y'all, and come back for the rest of the recipe. All right, look, clean hands. Clean hands, and we're ready to go. So we're going to start with some all-purpose flour. We're going to get some flour. But he's unseen that sugar. He said, oh, we got to have sugar, didn't you, baby?
Yeah.
Gigi's going to let you pour it in. How about that? Okay. Here we go. Gigi's scooping out for you. So we're using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got me some white lily here. There's, how many is that?
1.
And how many is this?
2.
All right. How many are you?
Yeah.
4.
Yeah. He's 4, y'all.
It looks like sand.
It looks like sand? All right. Let's give it just a little. You see it's got little lumps in it? Here, can you turn it? Can you just spin it a little bit for Gigi? Look at there. We're just going to kind of get some of those little lumps out. And you can totally sift this, y'all. So it's smooth. Good job. Now we're going to beat it around like this, and look at there. Getting it all out of there. Now we're going to add some goodies to it. Yep. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Ain't we? All right. You dump it in. 1.
I can do it.
You can do it. Okay, fill it up. Here, not that much. Here we go. A little bit more. Let Gigi do it for you, and then you can, it's got this little thing to level it out. And 2. Good job, bud. All right, now we are going to put some baking soda, and we're going to do it 1 teaspoon. Yep, baking soda. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Gigi will get it out for you, and you can put it in our mix there, okay? Dump it in. Good job. And now we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of, what is this?
I don't know.
Salt. He said, I don't know. All right. Junk it in there. Good job. Now Gigi's going to stir it just one more time, okay? We're going to get this mixed up before we start putting all of our wet ingredients in there. All right. Now we can just move this out the way. We're going to put a little bit of sugar in it too, right? Ooh, we want some sugar. That's the good stuff, man. Here, let's get this little one. Gigi's going to let you get some sugar.
Yeah.
Can you fill this one up?
Yeah.
go. All right, we're going in with a...
Oh, you got a chunk.
We do have a chunk. He's going to keep me honest. He's going to keep me straight. Here we go. This is a 1/4 cup of sugar, okay? All right. Yeah, don't put your fingers in it. Oh, what did you get? Lord, Gigi's knocking stuff. At least it was the right way and ain't dirty. All right. We're going to do this. This is his pancakes, y'all, so he can he can taste if he wants to.
Yeah. Taste your food, y'all.
Yes, I tell you, taste it, taste it. It's okay. We knocking stuff, ain't we, baby boy?
Yeah.
All right, now we got us some buttermilk. It's
Whoa,
okay.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Trying to get spoon.
It's okay.
Oh, okay, well.
Come on back up. It's good. He's getting it, y'all. He's good job. Let's put
Way to
it,
go.
Let's put it over there. We don't need it no more. All right, now we're gonna put some. What is this? What Papa just have to
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Papa had to go all over the place, y'all. We don't
We don't have
have
supplies. It's
we
not,
don't have supplies.
And shout out to the Happy Cow, our local
Creamery.
creamery right here.
Yep, look at there, Happy Cow.
That has not been bottled long. I'm gonna tell you, it ain't been
Look at that good thick buttermilk. Dump it in. There's one. And we're going to do 2. And then we're going to put our eggs in there. You want to put your eggs?
Yeah.
Can you put your eggs? Look, your eggs right here. Yeah. Pour them in the bowl.
I can.
Okay, real easy. He can. Woo, you like to did it, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right, now let Gigi give this a
Papa over
little.
here
I mean,
going,
he stir it.
Hold on, let Gigi give it a little stir. Then I'll let you stir it after I get it stirred up together. We got to put some vanilla in here too. Yes, sir. Hold on. Let Gigi get it mixed up real good, okay? We're just gonna stir this up. Let's go ahead and just put a little bit of vanilla. Smell that.
Oh.
Ooh, what does that smell like? What does it smell like?
Vanilla.
Good.
Vanilla.
Yeah, it smells good.
Smells good. Let Gigi get it. We want to work all these little lumps out, okay? Gigi's got to put some muscle in it. Oh,
We got some egg out.
it's all right. Now, I will say, if you let your pancakes rest about 10 minutes or so while you're getting your pan hot, it is it makes a difference. It really does. Look at you. My goodness, so big. Look at you. Look how pretty this is looking now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking like some good pancakes.
Hey, River.
Guess what else we got to put in
What's
it?
your favorite thing to do? What did you do all week at the beach on vacation?
What'd you do?
The sandcastle.
Well,
Sandcastle?
besides that, what was your favorite other thing to do? You wanted Papa to get you shrimp?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Because why?
Tell them what you like to do. What you like to do? You like what? Look at what you tell Papa what you like to do.
Yeah, tell all these people
It's
what
not
you like to
good.
do. What's
It's
your
not good
favorite
right
thing to
now.
do?
Tell me
Besides
like
lick your
fish.
fingers.
He likes to taste stuff.
What?
Tell him
Did
about
you like
your
to fish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that one of your favorite things to do?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, sir.
I like it.
Don't put your finger in it. It is his pancakes, y'all. All right, now look. This is the good part. We're going to dump about a 1/2 cup. You can dump about a 1/2 cup to a cup of chocolate chips. You just measure with your heart, honey. We're going to look at it. Well, I think it needs a little more. Hold on. You want to try one? Make sure it's okay. Just pick one off.
Make sure it's safe in that
Just
bowl.
make
Yeah,
sure
you might
it's
want to try
good.
one. Make sure it's all right, River.
He's 2. He's going to get 2. Okay.
Okay, well 2. Even
While
2.
Gigi is mixing.
Is that safe to eat?
Yeah.
Is it good
Okay.
stuff? Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't it looking delicious? Look at there, Papa. I think it might need a little more chocolate chips. But,
Yeah.
Looking a little lonely in there.
oh, I think they're at the bottom. All right, it's going to be okay because we can put some on top too. All right, y'all, we have got this stirred up and I'm going to let it sit just a few minutes while we're getting our oil hot. And we're going to come over here and what are we going to do? Fry these pancakes, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yes, and we're going to have a good lunch because this is his lunch. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all, we got us just a little grease in here. He's going to stand back this way. Not going to let my little man get burned, are we?
No.
No, ma'am. And we're just going to spread this out like so.
Big.
You want a big one?
Yeah.
He wants a big pancake. We'll spread it out. We're going to start looking for them little bubbles. That's what we're going to do. Don't get close. Yes,
the
sir.
bubble.
Here's the bubbles. We gonna give it a little flip.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Here we go. You just got this big old. There we go.
That's not a good one.
Woo!
That wasn't a good one. You didn't think that was a good one? I thought it was
That
pretty
looks good to me.
I thought it was pretty good. I bet it's gonna taste good.
Look at there. See that chocolate melting?
Yeah.
Lord, it's gonna be good, ain't it? Stand up. Don't get too far down there. You just gonna give it a little flip, y'all, when it starts bubbling up. And I always just give mine. Huh? There's the grease. Don't get close. Then I just give it a little flip on the other side, and that's all it is to it, y'all. Just some pancakes.
Easy, simple.
Easy, simple. This little piece got away.
Oh, that's okay. We'll
We'll
catch
just
it.
flip him over on the.
It looks
Let
good
him
to me.
get happy.
Does it look good to you, River? Okay.
All right, look at there. Good old pancakes, y'all. We're gonna he's making me nervous right here, so I'm gonna just finish this off, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this baby a pancake. We're gonna start tasting it. All right, let's hurry up so we can taste it with Papa, okay?
Okay.
All right, good deal?
I want to eat it.
I know, okay. Tell them what we made.
Pancake.
And what did we make in there?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream. How do we do that? How do we do that?
With eggs.
No, with some cream. All right, we're gonna put us a little syrup on here.
I don't.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some good old syrup.
Mine's on the top.
Yours is on the top. Look at that butter.
I
Oh,
know.
look at that butter
Butter trying to make
go.
a run for it.
We're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of. Oh, look at there.
What is that?
Sugar. Woo! Here we go. Little bit of sugar, and we got us a little. Whoa, goodness! Got us some little whipped cream, Papa.
Yeah, some homemade whipped cream, y'all.
I lost my shoe.
The frozen section in the
Papa.
stores are probably
I
pretty
lost my
empty.
shoe.
You lost your shoe.
Oh my
Get it back.
goodness.
Don't let it get away.
All right, Papa, you ready to taste?
Papa is ready to taste.
Let's do it. All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. What time is it? What's it time to do?
Eat pancakes.
Eat pancakes.
He knows
That's
what's up.
right.
He knows what's
We
up.
got us a little homemade whipped cream on top and some chocolate chips, and this boy's ready to dig in. You ready for it, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh,
All right, you get
goodness.
the first big old taste there, Bo.
Yeah.
Look at there. You want it on this little plate, or you want...
I want it on the little plate.
Okay.
All right.
Look at that. Looks like cake, y'all.
Yeah.
Wow. All right. You want some whipped cream on it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, you gonna taste a little piece?
Yeah.
Here you go.
No, don't get me one.
You do it. You
He's
get.
a big boy.
He's a big boy. You just get. Look at there, Papa.
Tell him.
What does it taste like?
Pancake.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chocolate chips. Look at that.
Y'all, I've lost my job. I've lost my job.
This one here, y'all. I'm telling you. Look at him. It's good, ain't it?
Yeah, he ain't worried about wrapping up no video no more. That's
He's
a
ready to
done
eat.
deal. It's a done deal. It's a
Woo,
wrap.
it's good, ain't it, baby? We gonna give Papa a little taste? Or we gonna let Papa taste it?
That whipped cream's flying off.
It is.
He said that whipped
Trying to get
cream.
away, ain't it?
He said
I
that
think you
whipped
oughta-
cream
you
is
oughta
flying
save it.
off. Flying off, he said.
Save it. There you go.
You
Good job.
got
You
it.
saved it. Good job.
All right, give Papa a taste. Let Papa see what it tastes like. There you go, Papa.
Let's see what we got here.
Let's see what Papa's gonna
Let's
taste.
see how y'all did.
Oh, you think we did a good job, Riverman? He ain't
Ooh,
let
it's
up,
got some
y'all.
chocolate chips in it, y'all.
He ain't
Trying
let
to get
up.
away. Oh.
Good stuff, ain't it, baby?
Yeah.
He done ate his whole plate. It's over. He ain't saying nothing else, y'all. Ain't that right?
Good stuff. we made some good pancakes together, didn't we, baby?
Pretty good. Y'all, he's been very, very adamant that he wants to do a video with his Gigi.
He
Ain't that right?
is. Gigi's boys.
Yeah.
Yep, and so we did it. We did. He's told me exactly from day one what video he wanted to do. I said, what you want to cook?
Pancakes.
Yeah.
He still has some. He hadn't ate them all. I said, what you want to do, baby? He said, pancakes. He knew what he wanted to do in his mind. So,
Yep.
pancakes it is. This is something I grew up. Listen, I loved me some pancakes. And probably the earliest memory of me cooking something was standing at the stove on the stool helping with pancakes. You all right? Oh, goodness. But, so this is, you know, a little go-to that we've used for many years. So, I hope y'all enjoy this, and I hope my little man here will enjoy it because he can't wait to see himself.
That's right. He'll
Y'all
love it.
let him know how good he did. He's did so good. Look at him and smile. Oh, look at that face, y'all.
Precious.
Tell me.
I wanted to say one thing.
Go ahead.
Thanks you to everybody out there that had us in your prayers.
Yes.
All the kind words. I mean, it means the world to know that people are out there that are supporting you, and you know, they're still out of their house. So we're still battling some, but you know, we're way more fortunate than a lot of people. And I just want to say thank you to the people, the comments and the positivity from people.
With chocolate chip.
Okay.
We'll
Let
do
Papa
it.
finish
We sure will.
talking.
Papa's done talking. I just want to say we
Thank
appreciate all
y'all.
of it. We really
For
do.
everybody that's checked on us
Yes.
and looked in on us, thank you so much. We are blessed beyond measure for sure. At least everything we lost, we can replace. So, but anyway, y'all, tell them till next time. Say it.
Next time.
Next time, he said, y'all. Till next time, y'all.
He didn't eat this whole plate of pancake while we've been standing
Papa
there.
missed his cue.
I did. Hey, you gonna say peace with me?
Ready? Till next time. Peace.
Good job.